Howdy, howdy, rock hounds. I am going to clean my rocks after stage 3. And these have been tumbling for 7 days in aluminum oxide 500 pre-polished grit. So I'm out here. This is so weird. I'm in California and it's literally soaked because we had a bomb cyclone of rain here, and it was literally just absolutely dumping. I'm in the Central Valley of California, and this is this is basically a desert. Oh, I gotta show you something real quick. So I come out here earlier to check my rocks, and I had to come back in the house because it was starting to rain again. God, it's so weird. But check this out. There's a frog. I guess it's a western toad or something. I don't know. My daughter looked it up. I don't know if you can see that very well. But yeah, so I have a visitor. Anyway, back to the rock tumbling reveals. So, don't laugh. I wasn't preparing ahead of time. I've been working so much, so busy, that I didn't think to put, this is so funny, combine these into one barrel because there's just not very many rocks in each of these. I just wasn't thinking. Anyway, I have Lortone 33B. And you can run that with just one barrel, which is pretty darn cool. So, again, this is stage 3. And nice slurry on those. Let's get this out of here. Let's see what we got. Ooh. Nice. Pretty. Neighbors are probably going, what the heck is going on over there? All right, let's have a gander. Let's do this. All right, there's the one with the nose. I think it goes that way. That's nice. Yeah, these are... Yeah, as I keep saying, I don't mind these pits. I know some people would just tumble them into oblivion, so there's a round ball. I don't know. Those are pretty too, but I like character, so because I'm a character too. So perfection is overrated. To each their own. This is the one that looks like a piece of cheese. It's coming along nicely. You can see that. Maybe I'll get this light better. Nice and smooth. I love how the polish just, pre-polish even, just gets them so smooth. Shoot, even the 120, 220 grit does. Ooh, look at the pretty colors on that one. Beautiful. Nice and smooth. There's a little pit in there. Don't care. I don't care about that. I just, oh, that's so pretty. Yep, very nice. That's not too bad. It's not sharp. It's got an indent. Oh, these are so nice. This one's changed in shape quite a bit. It was quite a bit bigger. This is that one that I'm going to keep because it just reminds me of chocolate and mint. What a stunning colors. And it didn't look like that at all when I was rock hounding and found it. That's pretty. Gray and reds, oranges more like. Let's stand up for a minute. Oh, it's hurt my knees. What do we got here? Kind of a light quartzy looking thing with some red in it. Nice. That one's kind of nondescript, but you know, I kind of like these ones that have little tiny lines in them or whatever, or even just dots. That one's kind of nondescript too, but it'll look nice, shiny. Got some really pretty reds here. Nice design. Pattern, I guess I should say. It's not a design. Not so sure about this one. That one's feeling, I wonder if that'll break again. I don't want that to break. and mess up the polish, but it might be okay. Well, we'll have to see. Oh, nice. I love that color. Kind of a peachy reddish. All right, what do we got here? I got this one. Got a little bit of a different color in there. Some more pitting. Don't care. A little bit of reddish, orange. I love these ones that are light colored. This is probably one of those rocks, if I remember right, that was totally red. It had that weathering rind on it that I just learned about. It's just the outside exposure to things that causes a color to be totally different than when the rock started off to be. This is one that my mom calls a spider rock. There's the spider legs. See the legs going out? I think it's walking away. Ha ha ha. I might have to give her that one. I don't know. This one's kind of got some serious pitting going on. I don't know. What do we got here? Kind of little patterns here and there. That's all right. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Just because it's got all these different colors in one rock. And this one's cool. It's got quite. This is okay. This is interesting. This feels like it got rougher this time. It still might do okay. I don't. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know if that'll polish okay. It seems to have worn off in there. Let's see. That's got a. Yeah, that'll be okay. Let's see. Did we look at this one yet? I think we did. Sorry. Yes. Oh, one of these chert ones. Always tends to be a problem one. I might have put that in there just for the heck of it. Look at this one. That almost looks like it's got some purplish in it. That's kind of cool. And then that. Kind of nondescript, but who doesn't like this sound? I mean, really. Cool. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, there's no rough there. That's nice. Oh, you could set it up. Have it. Oops, I think I dropped one. That's nice. That's got some pitting on it. We'll have to see. Might have to take that back. Put that back into it. All right, and I'm going to take out these little tiny pieces. Those are probably just give to my daughter, have her put them in a fish tank. Okay, so yeah, that's cool. Hard to tell, but yeah, it's got some. Ooh, this one's nice. Look at those colors, very nice. This one's gotten a lot smaller for sure. I think this is one of those chert ones. It was a lot bigger and it just broke. Oh, yeah. I remember this one because I remember this bluish line. Okay. I hear some birds flying around. Hopefully they're not bats. Huh, cool. Let me put these down. Got this one. This almost looks like moldy cheese. Now this one got a lot smaller. Oh, it broke. Oh, I think I remember this one. Shoot, I think this is the other part of it. Darn it, it is. Yeah, oh, that broke. Bummer. Well, those are not going in the polish. Because, yeah, that's rough. That's too bad that broke. I should have known that because it's thin. Well, bummer. Oh, well, win some, lose some, right? And we've got this. That's cool. And see, it doesn't take much to get me amused. I don't need a big production. Oh, neat. Yeah, that's cool. Okay. All right, there, it's down again. Let's see. So we get this. That's cool. That just didn't really change all that much, actually. This line might got a little deeper. And those are kind of nondescript. Boy, that one got really tiny. Jeez. And thin. I'm surprised that one didn't break. And then this one, it's kind of got some grayish tan. Let's see what we got with this. Oh, that's neat. And it's all smooth too. There's a little bit of a line. Neat. Nondescript. This one's cool. It's got a pretty good pit though. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's hard to get this to focus. Yeah, I don't think I'll take that one on because that one will probably get polish stuck in it, which may ruin the rest. Well, some of these are duds. Crapola. Anyway, there's a tooth. That one's pretty. I like the colors there. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's almost like a light pink on my side. Looks tan on the phone. Kind of nondescript. All these are kind of nondescript. There you go. Bunch of rocks that are all, most of them I should say, are ready for polish stage. So stay tuned and we'll go do that. Rock on!